Hi everyone, welcome to Research MD. This is Dr. Pramil. I work as a Chief Medical Officer in the United States and also an Associate Professor of Medicine, one of the large medical schools in the United States. So we're going to talk to you about bad breath and how to prevent bad breath, okay? So when we look at the bad breath, let's look at the physiology. How does the bad breath usually happens, okay? Because what happens is like on the tongue, you have this biofilm or the coverage. You have the protein, whatever you eat from the food kind of stuck there and create this biofilm, and then you can have like the dead cells, okay? Then the bacteria is going to act on this biofilm because the dead cells and the protein, they start breaking down. So what happens when we break down the protein, that's like amino acid, right? That's the degradation product. Also the main compound they produce is hydrogen sulfide, dimethyl sulfide, methyl mercaptone, and short chain fatty acid. Anytime there's sulfide or sulfur, you know it's going to smell bad, correct? So the main thing, look at the product, hydrogen sulfide, dimethyl sulfide, methyl mercaptone. These are the one kind of producing that bad smell. We call it medical term like halitosis. Okay, so how can you prevent it? The best thing to do, you take the tongue scraper, and before you go to sleep, make sure you clean your tongue out. Studies have shown that it is the most beneficial rather than just kind of taking the mouthwash, which a lot of chemicals. Again, who wanted to do that? Okay, so remember, the main purpose of this talk is about, you take this tongue blade and this biofilm, whatever created on the top of the tongue, you just clean it out. So you will not have the breakdown of the dissolved products, so there won't be any bad breath. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll be back with another presentation soon. God bless.